Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. This week on the Magic Roundabout, this is a DMC challenge video. Diecast Modelers Community page on Facebook, and this is their challenge. This is a motorbike or trike. So I'll pick this Matchbox chopper. So that's what we're going to do. Try and do something with this. So we'll get off the Magic and we'll have a look at it. Okay. Yeah, DMC challenge. So this is what we got. It's a Matchbox chopper number 38. Yeah, Leslie. Can't even read the date on it. No, can't read the date on it. Anyway, so I've got to get this apart. Looking at it, there's a rivet at the back there, behind there, to get this apart. I think behind here there's a rivet to get this out. This bit off here. It's got a break there, need to sort that out. It's got some sort of head on there, whether it's a horse or something looks like a horse. So yeah, the challenge is to make this. So I'm gonna bling this up a little bit if I can. I've never done a motorbike before, so excuse me. It's more like a bloody wheelbarrow, isn't it, with that great big tire on the front, isn't it? So I'll get this apart then and we'll have a look at it. Well, that didn't take long to get apart. 2 rivets there, like I said, under that yellow piece. 1 rivet at the back. And that's it. This is plastic. Got to repair that like I showed you earlier. Let's go in the oven cleaner. Go in the oven cleaner. Get rid of all that crap. That's the axle for the front wheel. That's the... I don't know what make out that is. It could be, yeah, it's got to be a horse, isn't it? Yeah, got a horse. And I've got bent axles. So I've got to see if I can sort this out somehow. So I've never done a Matchbox before, so I haven't got a Scooby what I'm doing. These guys who do this lot will probably say, yeah, do this. So straighten that out, do that. So I'm going to get this all in the clean and stripped down, and then we'll see what it's like when it's all stripped down. Right, there you go, all stripped. Been in the oven cleaner. A bit of a tidy up. So there's quite a few little parts to this. Quite a few bits and pieces. I'm not over keen on that big chunky wheel at the front though. It makes it look like a wheelbarrow, don't it? But we'll see. We'll see what we can do with that. Yeah. Yeah, this is the... I got this side, it's easier, with the engine block. There. The V engine. There's a blower. There. And all the bits and bobs. Yeah. There we go. So we're going to do a bit of priming. I'll clean the wire brush this up. We're going to do a bit of priming. Try and keep this hand out of the way because that's where the camera is, right on it. It really bang. So yeah, we're going to bring it around here like this. Yeah, so that's the that's that. So the next stage then is to give it a coat of primer. This one, the plastic piece here, I'm going to etch prime that first to give it more chance to stick. Okay, but the other one, this one, I'll just go with a normal primer on that. Okay, so we'll get it primed up and then we'll see what it looks like. There we go, that's all the parts of the bike. That's what it's going to be. Black. I'm going to do the seats red. I'm going to paint them by hand. That's your chrome part. This is going to be chromed as well. There. That's painted. This one's a bit of a wash on it. I'm going to paint the engine block. an aluminium and a chrome, and this front piece, I'm going to do that chrome, well, silver. Okay, so they're all the parts we're going to get painted. A lot of these I have to paint by hand, so we'll get on and we'll see what it looks like when I've done that. Alright, here's all our parts painted and cleaned up. We've got the main piece, the exhaust and so on. Get this round this way. Got an engine, painted the seats, or the seat. I'll put the engine back in there because it's quite a tight fit, fiddling about getting it in there without scratching the paint off. Front forks. And the skull of the horse's head at the back there, a bit of black on it. Give it a bit of character. So that's it really. Got to get back together again now. It's going a bit fiddly this, but we'll try. We will try and get it back together. So let me be thinking. Right, okay. So I think first of all, I'm going to try and get this best I can on camera. I'll put the seat, push that in first. I know that goes in there. And then we'll get the axles in. Then there's this piece. That should hook under the front of the engine, down. This is where it gets a bit tricky, trying to get that. That's it, it's got it in. That's in. So there we are for this bit. Looking pretty good. Don't know whether to put the wheel in first or not. Don't suppose it really matters, does it? Trying to get my hands in the way here. I'll try not to. Try and get this on. I think that's on. I might have to glue this bit on. Just going to put a drop of super duper on there because I don't trust it. Just a little drop of super duper. And then this bit, push in there like that. There you go. We'll put the wheel in. Get it around the right way. Put the wheel in. Come on, boy, find the hole. Hang on a minute. Just a second, boys, just a second. I think I know what it is. I haven't quite filed the end down on that. Need a bit more of it. Making it a bit tight to go in. Still a bit taut, isn't it? It's a bit more. Right, I was going to finish filing that off, get it on the get the wheel on, then I'll get it on the Magic. So here we have it. Matchbox chopper Stingaroo, as it's called. Stingaroo. So if it's called Stingaroo, that must be a kangaroo's head on the back of there. And I thought it was an horse's head. So you live and learn. Anyway, there she is. The DMC challenge. There you go. Hope you like it. Just a bit of fun with these challenges. There you go. Well, thanks for watching. And all the best to all of you. And there you go. There it is. I'll see you on a regular video shortly. Bye for now.